Dashcam usage has become quite popular recently within the car users community, probably because of the number of accidents increasing. And it also helps matters if you do have the dashcam footage, because it helps you in getting easier passing of claims from your insurance. But isn't buying and installing a dashcam an expensive affair? It wouldn't be if the infotainment system that you install comes with a front camera, a rear camera and a DVR along with a host of other features as well. Is there an infotainment system that provides all of these features? Yes, there is. That's the thing that we're going to cover in today's video. And in fact, if you stick around till the end, we'll also make a cost-to-cost comparison with the most popular Blaupunkt infotainment system. And you can decide for yourself which would be a much better cost-effective solution for yourself. So if that's something that you would like to watch, please stick around. Watch till the end of the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to RS Pro Wheels.
Many of you would have had the impression that installing a dashcam would have been an expensive affair. In fact, we thought the same way as well. But something happened recently that changed my whole outlook about this. We had recently provided a customer with solutions for accessories, and we came across an infotainment system which provided these features as well, included within the price of the infotainment system. This kind of made me a bit surprised, but at the end of the day, once we did a cost comparison with the Blaupunkt system, we found that this was the most cost-effective solution for the customer. We definitely recommend it, and we had provided this to the customer. The name of the infotainment system is Apptron's Blockbuster system. This comes from the same manufacturer that provides us with the Unplug systems. To give you a better idea about the system, this infotainment system comes with 9-inch as well as 10-inch options. It comes with genuine digital sound processing, and it has a full HD touchscreen. It has a 4GB RAM, 32GB hard disk, DVR with both front and rear cameras, both AHD. And guess what? The screen can also function as a dual screen, which means that it can provide you with parking assist for both front and the rear as well. It also comes with Bluetooth functionality, voice assistant function, and with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality as well. So now that we've gone through the features of the system, how about making a comparison with the most popular infotainment system on the market, that is the Blaupunkt infotainment system. Let's look at the Blaupunkt system first. Blaupunkt infotainment system with the same features, that is 4GB RAM, 32GB hard disk, frame and coupler together would cost you around 32,500 rupees. The Blaupunkt reverse camera comes at an additional cost of 3,000 rupees. Now, although you have the Blaupunkt with the additional rear camera in place, this rear camera is not going to be recorded, right? So you would have to install additionally a dash cam for the front and the rear with the DVR. If you needed parking assist for the front, you would have to install another additional front cam. This brings the total number of cams for your car up to 4 numbers. Not to mention, this would make your car look weird. And guess what, guys? We checked up the average pricing of a dash cam with front and rear camera with the DVR on Amazon. The average prices started at around 9,000 rupees and some went all the way up to 22,000 rupees. So we've taken an average price point of on the lower side of around 12,000 rupees. So this means this additional dashcam would come at an additional cost of around close to 12,000 rupees, bringing your total cost all the way up to 47,000 rupees. Let's take a look at the Blockbuster system for the prices. Like I mentioned before, the Blockbuster system comes in 9-inch as well as 10-inch options. You have 4GB RAM with 32GB hard disk. You have a front and back camera HD along with the DVR. You have Bluetooth, you have voice assistant feature, Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto functionality, not to mention the genuine digital sound processing system. And all of this along with the frame and couplers comes to you at a price of just 23,500 rupees. And you make a price saving of close to 23,500 rupees itself. So there you go. That's the option that you have. You can decide for yourself whether the Blockbuster system is something that you would like for your vehicle, or would you like to install the Blaupunkt system and then the additional dashcam with the cameras and DVR. If you want us to provide you with the Blockbuster system, please do make sure that you call us on the number provided below on the screen, and we'll be able to provide you with the latest prices as on day. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is the important information that we wanted to share with you. Please do let us know in the comments box below what would be your preferred option. Would you go for the Blockbuster or would you go for the Blaupunkt with the additional dashcam and the DVR? We would love to hear from you, so please drop your comments below. That's all for today's video. This is Sean from RS Pro Wheels signing off.